Welcome to this Monitoro tutorial. In this video we will learn how to send alerts to Slack when your monitor is triggered. The first step is to create a new app account in Monitoro. Choose Slack and then click on Add to Slack. Once the authorization page loads, accept the connection, then give it a name on the Monitoro website. Slack is now connected successfully. Now let's create a new monitor. We'll monitor the price for sports shoes. You can pick an icon for it, afterwards choose on my machine. Let's copy the link for the shoes we want to monitor. Paste it in Monitoro and press the Add Valid Link button. Great, time to select data to monitor by clicking on the blue Monitor New Data button. First select the product name and name your selection, then select the price and the variant, naming your selection as well. Click on the green button below to move to the next step. Now create an event and trigger it when the price changes. Then add an integration action and choose Send a Message to a channel, then your Slack workspace. Pick a channel, in this case Monitoro Demo, and compose the message you want to receive. The blue plus button lets you use the name, price, and variant from your monitor in the message. Save the integration, open Slack, and you will find a test message sent already. At this point, you can add other shoes from the same website. They will also be monitored and your event triggered when the conditions are met. That's all for this tutorial to send alerts to Slack using Monitoro. I hope you found it helpful. Make sure to follow us and to subscribe for more videos. And if you have any questions, let us know in the comments or by contacting Monitoro's support.